picture. We already completed our poem 1. So today we will start with this. First of all, students, tell me, how do you wake up early in the morning? You wake by yourself, or your mother wakes you up, or you set an alarm to wake? Tell me, how do you wake up? I think so. Many of you set alarm to wake up early in the morning. See, this thing happens, you set alarm for 6 o'clock in the morning. But when the clock rings at 6 o'clock in the morning, again and again you snooze the clock. This thing happens with me also. When I have to wake up early in the morning, I set alarm for 6 o'clock, and when my alarm rings at 6, again and again I snooze it and wakes little late, because I don't like to wake up early in the morning. But we should wake up early in the morning. It's not good thing waking up late. So student, here this story is about Neha's alarm clock. Here in this story, Neha also don't like to wake up early in the morning, but she has to, because she has to go to the school. If she wakes late, she will miss school bus. Here in this story, we will see the struggle of Neha for waking up, and lastly, her mother taught her one lesson. So we will also see what lesson her mother taught her. So let's start with the story. So students, who's the author of the story? Girja Rani Asthana. Girja Rani Asthana is one who written this story, Neha's alarm clock. So let's start. Here the narrator starts the story. Who is narrator? Narrator is one who narrates the story, who tells the story. In your book you can see, student, their narrator name is mentioned in the very beginning. So it means that paragraph is spoken by narrator. And in second paragraph you can see Neha name is mentioned. So it means that paragraph is spoken by Neha. So let's start. At 6 o'clock in the morning, Neha's alarm clock rings. Neha started making faces. She took the pillow and covered her ears with it. Then she snuggles into her warm blanket. What she did? When her alarm clock rings, students, at 6 o'clock, she started making faces. Okay, this clock wakes me up. And she took the pillow and put into her ears. And she snuggles again into her warm blanket. What do you mean by word snuggles? What snuggle means? Settle in comfortable position. Comfortable position. So she snuggles into her warm blanket, and then she mutters, I know, I have to wake up or else I will be late for school. What do you mean by mutters? Word mutters means speaking in low voice. See, I think so this thing happened with us also. When your mother tells you not to watch television, you walk away from that place, but you speak something in low voice. आज भी नहीं देखने दिया टीवी मुझे. Like this, Neha is also doing same. She mutters that I know, I have to wake up. Then here, what Neha is telling? Oh, I wish this clock forgot his job for one day, so that I can sleep little more. नेहा ने क्या बोला यहाँ पे, काश ये क्लॉक, अलार्म क्लॉक अपना जॉब करना भूल जाए, so that I can sleep little more. Now students, here narrator is telling something false that made Neha smiles. Tell me student, what is that something? It's Neha's alarm clock which fall down and broke. So here Neha is telling, oh yes, my alarm clock fall down and now it's broken. So tomorrow I can sleep little more. Next morning, a narrator is telling, next morning Neha was sleeping and sleeping. Suddenly some birds, some chirpy birds, chirpy means it's a sound made by birds. Some chirpy birds came and sat on Neha's room's window. So what these birds are telling to Neha now? They are telling Neha to wake up. Wake up fast. Utho Neha, utho. Jaldi se utho. All these birds are telling to Neha. Now here narrator is telling Neha gets up with a start. Now what do you mean by get up with a start, students? Gets up with a start means to wake up with a surprise, or you can say suddenly हम ऐसे शॉक होके उठते हैं ना, उस तरीके से नेहा उठ गई. Now Neha is telling, oh no, firstly that alarm make me wakes up early in the morning. Now these birds, why can't you leave me alone? She is telling to birds. Now narrator is telling, next morning her this wish also comes true. First of all, she was telling that her alarm clock forgets her job. That wish of Neha also come true. Now secondly, she was telling these birds can't leave me alone, but her this wish also come true. Next morning there were no alarm, there were no chirpy birds, but there was someone else who wants Neha to wake up. Who was that? Tell me. Sun. Sun want Neha to wake up. So what sun did? Sun spread its sunlight into her whole room. Now here Neha is telling, oh my eyes, that sunlight was irritating Neha's eyes. Why can't you let me sleep? She is telling to sun. Now narrator, what narrator is telling? This wish of Neha also comes true. Next day the sun hid behind the clouds. There was no sun on that day. Neha snores until she hears her mother's voice. What do you mean by word snore, students? Snore means breathing voice, breathing noise while sleeping. Means खरोटे. Snore means खरोटे. जब हम सोते हैं, जब हम खरोटे मारते हैं, वो breathing voice जो हमारी होती है उसको कहते हैं snores. So here Neha snores until she hears her mother's voice. Here now mother is telling, wake up, you sleepyhead. She is telling to Neha to wake up. Sleepyhead means a person who feels sleepy for the whole day. Person who is not so active, feels lazy for the whole day. So her mother is telling to wake up to Neha. Here now Neha is replying to her mother, Mother, why can't you let me sleep? Why you wake me up? Narrator is telling that Neha, you can't get escape from this. Now you have to wake up. Students, you can get rid from alarm clock, from sunlight, from chirpy birds, but you cannot get rid from your mother. When your mother wakes you up, you have to wake up at any cost. She is not going to leave you like this. So here Neha wakes up and she gets ready. You know what happened next day, students? Neha wakes up by herself. वो खुद से उठी. Here she called out her mother, Ma, who wakes me up today? Here her mother smiled. Listening this, her mother smiled. Now her mother is telling, you by yourself wakes up. Now what Neha told? But Ma, I was sleeping. How could I wake up? Here her mother is giving her a lesson. Listen to me very carefully, students, now. Now here her mother replied, see, when you feel hungry, you eat. When you feel sleepy, you sleep. When you feel thirsty, you drink water. So there is one biological clock inside us which tells us what to do and when to do. Oh Ma, that is why I woke up by myself. Once we get habit, then we do that thing by ourselves only. For 7 days, if you set alarm, the alarm will wake you up for 7 days. But on 8th day, if you even not set alarm, but you will wake up by yourself. Because now this thing become habit of yours. So like this here also, Neha wakes by herself. Now she is telling to her mother, oh Mama, let me get ready or I will miss my school bus. Now here her mother told, relax, no need to worry. Today is Sunday. Today is no school. So students, hopefully you enjoyed this story. So new words which we have learned in this story is snuggle, settle in a comfortable position, mutter, speaking in low voice, get up with a start, to wake up with a surprise, snore, breathing noise while sleeping. These are new words. Goodbye students. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself.